I've tested these ultrasonic jewelry cleaners so you don't have to waste your money. Trust me, I've had my fair share of cleaning products that promised a lot but delivered little. In this review, I'm diving deep into the top 5 best ultrasonic jewelry cleaners to help you keep your precious items sparkling without breaking the bank. Product number 1, Aliexpress Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. When I first unboxed the Aliexpress Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, I was immediately impressed with its compact design. Measuring just 7.6 by 3.8 by 3.3 inches, it's small enough to fit on any countertop or even in a travel bag. The first thing I noticed was the stainless steel tank, a feature that guarantees durability and corrosion resistance. I filled it with tap water and turned it on, curious to see how well it would tackle my collection of tarnished rings and eyeglasses. What struck me was the effectiveness of the 48,000 Hz high-frequency sound waves. I could see dirt and grime lifting off my jewelry within minutes. It's like watching a magic trick unfold right before your eyes. The Aliexpress comes with 2 cleaning modes, a standard 5-minute cycle and a 7-minute setting for more stubborn dirt. I found the 7-minute mode to be particularly useful for my watch strap, which had accumulated a layer of sweat and grime over time. After the cycle finished, I was genuinely amazed at how fresh and sparkling everything looked. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this cleaner is incredibly easy to use. With just a touch of a button, you can start the cleaning process without any complicated settings. The 12-ounce capacity is a major plus, allowing you to clean multiple items in one go. The non-slip rubber pads at the bottom are a thoughtful addition that helps stabilize the machine, reducing noise during operation. On the downside, while the ultrasonic cleaner does a great job with general dirt, it's not designed to remove tarnish completely. That said, using an ultrasonic cleaning agent can significantly enhance the results. Product number 2, eyesonic CSJ01 Ultrasonic Cleaning Solution. I recently decided to give the eyesonic CSJ01 Ultrasonic Cleaning Solution a try, especially since I was looking for a product that could enhance my ultrasonic cleaning experience. This concentrated solution is designed to be mixed with water in a 1:20 to 1:40 ratio, and I found that it really brings out the best in your standard cleaning routine. As I poured the blue liquid into my ultrasonic cleaner, I could already tell that it was different. The fresh scent was inviting, and I was eager to see how it would tackle the smudged eyeglasses and tarnished jewelry that had been neglected for too long. After mixing the solution and filling my ultrasonic cleaner, I dropped in a few pieces of jewelry and my favorite pair of glasses. The result was nothing short of spectacular. The solution effectively lifted smudges, oils, and fingerprints that had accumulated over time. I was particularly impressed with how it restored the sparkle in my diamond ring, which had dulled significantly. This was one of those moments where I felt like I was rediscovering my jewelry all over again. On the pros side, the eyesonic solution is biodegradable, which is a huge plus in today's eco-conscious world. It's also versatile enough to be used on various items, from jewelry to eyeglasses. However, one downside is that you need to be careful with the concentration. Using too much or too little can affect the cleaning results. Finding the right balance took a bit of trial and error, but once I did, it was smooth sailing. So why buy the eyesonic ultrasonic cleaning solution? If you already own an ultrasonic cleaner, this is an essential addition to amplify its effectiveness. It's affordable and enhances the cleaning power of your ultrasonic machine, making it well worth the investment. If you love your jewelry and want to keep it looking brand new, I can't recommend this product enough. Product number 3, Miorkle's Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. I had high expectations when I ordered the Miorkle's Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. This sleek and compact device, measuring just 7.6 by 3.8 by 3.3 inches, is perfect for anyone looking to maintain their jewelry and glasses without taking up too much space. The first thing I noticed was the robust construction, featuring a 304 stainless steel tank that not only looks good, but is also incredibly sturdy. I filled it up with water and plugged it in, excitement bubbling as I anticipated the cleaning magic that was about to unfold. One of the standout features of this cleaner is the dual cleaning modes. I opted for the 7-minute cycle for my dirty eyeglasses, and I was astounded at the results. The ultrasonic waves operating at 48,000 hertz worked wonders, dislodging dirt and grime that I thought was stuck for good. When I took my glasses out, they sparkled like they were brand new. The machine is also easy to use. Just press a button and you're off to the races. Plus, the 4 rubber pads on the bottom kept it stable, making for a quiet operation. No annoying humming to disrupt my peace. Pros? The Miorkals cleaner is user-friendly, efficient, and effective. With a 12-ounce capacity, it can handle multiple pieces without breaking a sweat. On the flip side, it's worth noting that while it excels at cleaning, it can't remove oxidized rust, so keep that in mind if you have older pieces. So, why should you buy the Miorkals Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner? If you want a reliable, compact, and efficient way to keep your items looking their best, this is your go-to. It's perfect for home use and even portable enough for travel, ensuring your jewelry and glasses are always clean and sparkling no matter where you are. Product number 4, Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. When I first came across the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner, I was intrigued by its promise of professional quality cleaning at home. With a spacious 20-ounce stainless steel tank, it's designed to handle multiple items in one go, which is a huge convenience for someone like me who has a collection of jewelry and glasses that often need a good clean. After setting it up, I decided to test its 5 different cleaning modes, wondering how well it would perform. The moment I activated it, I was impressed by how quickly it got to work. The ultrasonic waves operating at 42 kilohertz made short work of the dirt and oil buildup on my jewelry. I could hear the gentle hum of the machine, a reassuring sound that signified it was doing its job. I tossed in a mix of items, rings, a watch, and even some dentures, and within minutes, everything looked brand new. The ease of using this machine is fantastic. Just add water and press start. No harsh chemicals needed. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Magnasonic is incredibly effective, spacious, and versatile. The 5 modes allow for tailored cleaning, which is a great feature. However, one downside is its size. While the 20-ounce capacity is great for cleaning multiple items, the cleaner itself is larger than some other models, which may not suit everyone's storage needs. So, why should you consider the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner? If you're serious about keeping your items in pristine condition, this is the cleaner for you. It's perfect for daily use and provides professional results without the need for expensive trips to a jeweler. Whether you're cleaning jewelry, eyeglasses, or dentures, this machine is a worthy investment that you won't regret. Product number 5, Comfy Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. I stumbled upon the Comfy Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner while searching for an affordable yet effective cleaning solution, and it has quickly become one of my favorite gadgets. This model is compact, measuring 7 by 3 by 3 inches, making it easy to store and travel with. The first time I used it, I was curious to see how well it would perform on my everyday jewelry, which had accumulated its fair share of grime. After filling the tank with water, I pressed the one-touch control button and I was off. The 46,000 Hz ultrasonic weaves created an impressive level of vibration that dislodged dirt from every nook and cranny of my rings and glasses. I was amazed at how much dirt came off in just 3 minutes. The timer feature is a real game changer. It's great for someone like me who often forgets about the timer when busy with other tasks. What's more, it operates at a low noise level, making it perfect for use while I'm watching TV or even while working from home. In terms of pros and cons, the Comfy Cleaner is efficient, user-friendly, and compact. It's a fantastic choice for those with limited space or anyone who travels often. However, the 350 milliliter capacity might not be enough for larger pieces or multiple items at once, so keep that in mind. So why buy the Comfy Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner? If you're looking for an easy-to-use, effective cleaning solution that won't break the bank, this is the one for you. It gets the job done quickly and quietly, and it has a 1-year quality commitment, so you can purchase with confidence. Your jewelry and glasses will thank you. In conclusion, investing in an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner can save you time, money, and keep your precious items looking brand new. Each of these products offers unique benefits, so choose one that fits your needs and lifestyle. Trust me, your jewelry will shine like never before.